SAP FI COA Group. You can create a SAP FI chart of accounts group as per your requirement. To effectively manage and control a large number of GL accounts, you should use COA groups. How to define chart of accounts group? There are two ways you can create a new COA group. The first method is to use the T-code OBD4. You can also reach to this screen by following the path. T-code SPRO SAP reference, IMG Financial Accounting General Ledger Accounting GL Accounts Preparations Define Account Group Execute New window will open new entries. Populate the following fields in the COA group: chart of account key, ACCT group, name, from ACCT, and to account details. After providing the required details, click the Save Configuration option to create the COA group.